Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. What I have for you today is great offer. If you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 starting 2022 and start working from home any hours you want, and as many hours as you want or as little hours as you want. The offer that I have for you guys below will give you all that. It's it'll teach you how to do side hustles, work from home, ditch your 9 to 5 and start making a lot of money. But the key to success, guys, whoever's watching this, I'm talking to you, the person that was watching this, right there. The key to success is to actually implement the training and follow the steps that you are going to get through, you're going to get with the training. For you to just watch the videos and not implement everything step by step, nothing's going to happen. You really have to follow the training verbatim. You have to really follow the steps and implement everything that you're being taught through the training. And within 30 days, you'll be able to see a result. This is guaranteed. This is something I've been using and been seeing a lot of results from it, and it's incredible training. It's done by a person that's been doing it for over 20 years. He's a multi-millionaire, made maybe over $100 million. I don't know the exact number, but I know it's right around there. And if you want to learn and get trained by the best, I highly recommend you click the link below and get started today. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tick the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a Make Money Online video. If you really want to make a change for you, for yourself, for you and your family, and start working from home, which is very easy to do. Oh, I'm gonna get gas. Which is really, really easy to do. Click the link below and get started right now. It's absolutely incredible training. I guarantee you guys. One thing I want to mention too is really important. If you don't make any money, if you don't get paid making or following the training and the instruction, the training is backed up by 30-day money-back guarantee. So you get to try it out for a whole month, and if it doesn't pan out for you, if you don't end up making any money for one reason or another, you can always request your money back. It's only $7, guys, $7, like equivalent to a cup of coffee. If you want to be trained by a millionaire, investing only $7 into your future and into your children's future and your family future, I highly recommend you click the link below and get started today. That's all I have for you guys. It's a real short video, but if you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 and get away from the whatever environment you're in, if you're happy with it, you can still keep doing what you're doing, and you can do this on the side, because it's on a drip program. What it does, it comes in like an hour every week. I mean, you get to have one training every week, and it's a drip program, so Monday through Friday, basically, you're going to get 5 training days and so on and so forth. And the training is designed that way because it gives you enough time to implement all the steps that's being showed in the training. So basically, you get to try it out for 30 days, and if you don't see it being a good fit for you, you can always cancel and ask you for your money back. No question asked. They'll give you your money back. You get to have your $7. Again, this is really simple, straightforward training, over the shoulder, step by step. No stone left unturned. Everything is explained. Everything is clear. Everything is it's designed for newbies or experts. Click the link below and get started today. I love you guys. I believe in you. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tick the bell icon. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you guys. Have a wonderful day, and good luck to you. I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye.